short-term HGV insurance. Huge vehicles weighing more than 4 tons are termed heavy goods vehicles or large goods vehicles. These vehicles are used for carrying massive goods throughout the world. It is essential for these vehicles to have insurance coverage. Insurance policies formulated specifically to address the various issues related to HGV are categorized as HGV insurance. HGV and HGV insurance are terms used in the European Union and the United Kingdom. Since HGV Holland are therefore responsible for huge quantities of massive goods, they must have insurance coverage. Moreover, they themselves are extremely expensive vehicles. HGV insurance protects both the owner of the vehicle and the driver of the vehicle. Thus, the interest of the owner who has substantial investments in the vehicle and the interest of the driver whose life is at stake in case of an accident are both safeguarded. For a smooth and hassle-free operation, HGV require up-to-date insurance coverage and a skilled driver who has a license to drive HGV and thus will follow all the necessary guidelines and regulations. The cheapest option of HGV insurance covers only the basics, that is, it covers only the damage caused by the vehicle to others. With an increase in coverage, the premium increases. The expanded coverage includes goods in transit insurance, theft insurance, and any damage inflicted upon the vehicle and or the goods. Thus, a company or a customer can trust a vehicle with HGV insurance with its valuable goods. HGV insurance assures them that their goods are adequately covered in case of any untoward incident. In the UK, a driver of a commercial HGV insurance vehicle needs to have a special license and needs to follow rigid restrictions while on road. Restrictions regarding alcohol and drug consumption while driving are quite serious. This policy followed in UK is quite justified, as driving a large and heavy vehicle carrying loads of goods is extremely risky when compared to driving a small van or a regular car. HGV insurance strictly demands that the drivers meet a host of qualifications, as they want to completely ensure that the drivers are eligible under the guidelines of HGV insurance to drive HGV. The general qualifications that an HGV driver needs to satisfy pertain to the criteria of minimum age, experience of driving, and a clean driving record. HGV hauling dangerous goods are generally not covered. Special insurance coverage is needed in these cases. Moreover, it is almost impossible to search for a HGV insurance company which will be ready to gladly underwrite an insurance policy for HGV hauling hazardous chemicals, explosives, and other threatening components. In the United Kingdom, 12 HGV on an average are stolen each day. And it goes without saying that the vehicles are stolen along with the goods they were carrying. Thus, HGV insurance in UK is specially formulated to protect the vehicles and the goods being hauled in case of theft. Incidents like theft and accidents are unforeseen, and the only ways to protect these large expensive vehicles carrying masses of valuable goods is to cover them, their contents, and their drivers with the HGV insurance policy.